guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you guys here. So today is a Feel Good Friday video. In these videos we talk about like what has made us happy and grateful throughout the week. So let's roll that intro and then we'll get on into it. So for me, I'm very grateful this week for being able to take time out for myself and just to take care of myself, get a little pampering done at a salon. I kind of got like my hair done and which I mean was kind of like a couple weeks prior, but I'm kind of putting them all together in this video here. But yeah, I got my hair done, which I mean I guess you can't overly see, like I did dye it and get it cut, but I'm kind of going a little more natural today in this video. But I did get like my nails done and got my toesies done. Yeah, just that kind of thing. So I'm really grateful that like I can afford and take time out to do these things that just make me feel good and put together, and yeah, just really grateful for having that time to do it. I'm also very grateful for like my growth in confidence and like loving myself and accepting myself more. Don't get me wrong, I am 100% not perfect at all. I just honestly keep trying to grow and do better, and you know, just every day try to just like, even if it's just like thinking about it, I just try to find ways to do a little bit better every day, even if like maybe some others may not see it. I know personally myself, and honestly I think that's what matters, is like as long as you're happy with yourself, I mean, and you like yourself, what does anything else, you know, matter? You know, like who cares what people think? You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm just very grateful that, you know, I have grown and I continue to grow, and yeah. So the next thing that I'm grateful for is always having really great friends and family around, so that I can like talk to them about like any issue or problem, or like even when I'm like having really bad anxiety. It's just really nice to have the support and like the safe place just to be able to tell them, and you know, it stays between us, right? Like it's just really nice to know that like either they like can be supportive or they have the answers for me, or you know, it's just nice to have a few people that just can help you, and they're not judging you or anything like that. So that's really nice, and like I as well do the same for them. So yeah, it's just nice, and I'm really grateful just to have the people in my life that are in my life. So yeah. So another thing that I'm really grateful for is honestly you guys that watch my videos. Every single one of you matter like so much. Like I'm so grateful that like you guys make time in your busy lives to watch my videos, and yeah, it's amazing. Like thank you so much. Like I appreciate it so much. So thank you. And last but certainly not least, I'm very grateful for the clean neighborhood that I live in, as well as my neighbors. Like a quick story, one of my neighbors actually came over to check on me to make sure that everything was okay, because we were having a thunderstorm and my car alarm for some reason kept going off, like honestly like 3 times in a row. Like I would shut it off, it would go off again, I'd shut it off, it would go off again, and so on. And they obviously heard it, and they actually came over and checked up on me to make sure everything was okay. And I thought that was like the best, like the fact that like they even thought to even do that. Like, I don't know, I guess sometimes you just don't think people really care when they do. And yeah, they're awesome. Like, they're very good people, and I absolutely appreciate them, and I appreciate that they even did that. And but yes, everything was okay. My car was just being really weird. I don't know. But yeah, I'm very grateful for that. I have great neighbors, so. Alright, so those are my things that I'm very grateful for. So now it's your turn. Let me know the things that you're very grateful for this week. I honestly, genuinely want to know. So, with that being said, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe down below. It really helps my channel grow. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you never miss a new video. Alrighty, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, you are loved and appreciated. Bye.